open it now?
Yeah, go ahead and open it.
Okay then. Can I help you a second? No, Connor, no.
Is that a present?
No, it isn't a present. It's just a box where we got like lots of thread. Okay, we've got this weird
Cthulhu.
Dulu. We've got a
Cthulhu pop.
Dulu thing here.
Can we look at stuff and you not take everything out?
We have
Keychain.
this.
Yeah, this is an autograph. Stop. Why is everything you have to just take out?
Yeah,
Looks like a sticker or
a
something.
sticker of this guy.
Cthulhu.
Yeah. We've got anything else. Wow, that's a small box. What's
Got a
that
poster.
now? Hey.
Got a poster.
Oh yeah. Hey, can I help you put them up?
Put what up?
The poster.
No, I'm not putting the poster up. Just pull it out. I said pull it out. I didn't say rip it out of my hand. Where is it?
Ooh.
Oh, cool.
What is this?
Freddy Krueger.
Huh?
It's Freddy Krueger.
How do you know?
The hat and its gloves. And this is the guy who made Freddy Krueger because he died recently.
Who's it?
Wes Craven.